Hi guys, today we'll see the concept of post correspondence problem, or also we can call it as a PCP. So what is this actually? So PCP is an undecidable problem. What it contains is, it contains dominoes or tiles or elements. We can call it as elements, or we can call it as a dominoes, or we call it as a tiles here. So what does a dominoes represent? What is the use of that? All that we will see it now. So dominoes are represented as a pair of elements. Like if you see here, these are the examples for the dominoes. So it is represented as a pair of elements. This is A, B and AC. This is one pair. And similarly C, B is one pair. The dominoes or tiles, either you can represent in this form, numerator by denominator, or you can represent as x and y. So x is equal to AB, this is the numerators, and y equal to the denominator. So it is represented as a pair of elements. Either you can represent in this or in this way, or you can represent in the form of a table also. How many pairs we have? Two, x and y. So x, a, the AB by AC, this is one pair, and what is another pair you have? CB. So these are the three ways you have for representation of a dominoes here. So what is the use of this dominoes now? So what is the use of this domino is to find the solution. What solution you have to find out here? Here we have to find the sequences. This is one sequence, this is another sequence. So we have to find the sequences. We have to find the sequence of finite number of dominoes to form the string such that the top and bottom of the strings are equal. So I'll show you with an example, then it will be clear for you what is this top and bottom of the strings are equal. So I'll just show you this example, then again I'll come back to you what is this again. So here we have A and we have B. So how you can represent dominoes? I said it should be represented in the form of a pairs. So first pair 1 by triple 1, and this one 1 0 triple 1 by 1 0, and 1 0 by 0. So these are the dominoes you have. Now we have to check whether we are having the solution or not. Let us give this domino as number 1, this domino as 2, and this domino as 3. So here what we have to do here is, we have to find the solution in such a way that the numerator and the denominator should be equal finally. With what sequences it is possible, that is the thing what you will be doing now. Three things you have, three dominoes you have, 1 2 3 are the three dominoes you have. Now you have to combine in such a way that the numerator and the denominator should be equal. So, and one more thing is, each domino can be used more than one also. Each domino can be used more than one also. Now how to start? How to start the matching? How to start the matching is, so here we'll see how we have to start this matching here. How we have to start the matching is, like if you take the first domino, the first one and the first one is a match. Okay, we can start with this. Now this first and this first is also a match, or we can start with this also. Now this is a 1 and here you have 0. So we cannot start with the third domino. We can start with the first domino, or we can start with the second domino here. Okay. Now I'm starting with the second domino. That is your wish. You can start with the first domino also. So I'm starting with the first domino. The final thing is, the numerator and the denominator should be equal, and with the what sequence you're able to do it, that is the thing what we will be finding out now. That is nothing but a post correspondence problem. Now I'm starting with the first. So first one I'm starting. So this one and this one I'm cancelling it, and this 0 and this 0 I'm cancelling it. After cancelling, now what I have triple ones here. Triple ones still I have. Now this triple ones should be again cancelled now. So this triple one should be cancelled. Now Again, so to cancel this triple ones, now I should consider again one more domino now. So for cancelling this triple ones, I'll consider this domino now. So I'll take this domino. Now this 1 0 already cancelled and this triple one is cancelled now. Now again what we are left over? We are left over with this one now. Now this one should be cancelled. So to cancel this one, once again we have to consider one more domino. So it is not the same sequence you have to take, that is your wish. Finally we have to get the numerator and denominator equal. Now this one should be cancelled now. The same I have written here. So to cancel this one, again I am considering the first domino. Now all this we have cancelled, this one's also. Now this one and this one we have cancelled. This one and this one is cancelled, and this one and this one is cancelled. So again we are left over with only this one. So to cancel only this one, now I'm considering the third domino here. So I'm considering the third domino. So this one 0 0 is cancelled. This one, this is cancelled, this is cancelled, and this one is cancelled, and this one is cancelled, and this one with this one is cancelled. 0 0 is cancelled. So finally we are not left over with anything here. So that means everything is cancelled. The meaning is the numerator and the denominator is equal. So with what sequence you are getting now? You are getting through the sequence 2 1 1 3. So the solution is possible and the sequence is 2 1 1 3 here. So that is the way how you will be doing. I'll show you the another example. Okay, this is another example what we have. So if you how many sequences you have? 1 2 3 4 5 you have. Again the concept is we have to check, do we have a solution? So solution means the numerator and the denominator should be equal. So if I start with this, can I start? No, this is 0 you have and this is 1. No, I cannot start. This is 0 0. Yes, I can start with this. This I cannot start. This I can start, and this I can start. So I'm starting with this now. So if I'm starting with this 0 is cancelled. 2 ones are left over. Now this 2 1 should be cancelled now. So to cancel these 2 ones, I'm considering this third domino. Now these ones are also cancelled. Now I am left over with 0. So to cancel 0, I'm considering the second domino. Now after cancellation, again we're left over with 2 ones. So to cancel these 2 ones, I'm considering the fifth domino. Now after all the cancellations, you are left over with 1 now. So to cancel this one, I'm considering the first domino. So 1. Totally everything is cancelled. Now the final sequence is 4 3 2 5 1 is the sequence here. This is the thing. Now the question can be in this way also. These are the pairs you have. So what are the pairs you have here? What the A values are given as 0 1 1 1, and the B values are given as 1 1 1 0 1 1. So this is, so by using this AB, I have constructed the table AB, A's and B's here. Now here we'll see if you can you consider the first pair. This is the first pair you have. If you can consider the first pair, the meaning is the first pair is nothing but like this one only, 0 1 1 1. This is the meaning of this. Can we consider? No, because this is 0 and this is 1. We cannot consider. We cannot start with this one first. Now if you take the second one, 1 by 1 0. Yeah, we can 1 by 1 0. Yes, we can take, because both first and is same here. So first one is same. So I've considered this one. So with this process I'm doing here, I've started with this. Since I've explained you the process, you can just check it here. This is the sequence what I'm getting: 2 1 2 3 3 1 3 3. But if you observe here, this process is going on repeating. Never we are something or the other is being left over when you start with the second pair. So it is continuing here. The third domino is going on continuing. Now, if I consider the third pair, what is the third pair? 1 by 1, 1. 1 by 1, 1. Can we consider S? We can consider, because the first is same here. Now, again, if I see here, this is again going on continuing. Never it is stopping. That means the numerator and denominator, never we are getting equal. So that means the PCP is not having the solution. This is one case here. So